guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What. Today we have another Chiara DIY special. I was inspired, guys, and let me say thank you so much to everyone that's watched my two latest videos. I really appreciate the views, the comments, all of that good stuff. So from one of my last videos, which was the Afro Diva Wreath, I've been inspired by another YouTuber. Her name is Sue. She is incredibly talented. I'm going to link her down below, and you can also check her up above. Click that link and check her page out. She inspired me to do a different kind of Diva Wreath that is as equally beautiful and as equally amazing as the other ones. But this time we're going to use the candy cane wreath from Dollar Tree. Now, I know in the Philadelphia area there's like 200,000 Dollar Trees, and I've maybe have seen them. I've seen these in maybe 10 stores out of the hundreds that are in the immediate area. So if you are interested in doing this tutorial, hurry up and go and get this wreath, because they will be gone before you know it, and they are already no longer online and selling for $15, $20, $25 on Amazon. So if you want to do this tutorial at any point in time, go ahead and find this wreath form at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to take this wreath form from the Dollar Tree. We're going to take a silhouette that I have used my Cricut to make. We're going to use some deco mesh that I got from AC Moore that is going out of business. I'm so sad, guys, that AC Moore is going out of business. I don't even know how to explain how sad I am, but some people who do not live on the East Coast or in the tri-state area, which is New Jersey, Delaware, and New York, Pennsylvania, that whole area, we have a craft store called AC Moore, and they have recently announced that they're going out of business. I like AC Moore better than Michaels. However, 40 of the AC Moore stores will be turned into Michaels, but I already have, where there's an AC Moore here, there's a Michaels literally next door. So we'll be missing out on AC Moore, but I think I got this from AC Moore or Michaels. I'm not sure. Nonetheless, this is black deco mesh. In Sue's video, she did a Caucasian Diva Wreath. I'm going to do a spin on it, and I'm going to do the Afro Diva in the with black hair. So you'll need a rotary cutter, the silhouette, the candy cane form, and deco mesh, and we'll figure out some embellishments as we go. And I think we're ready to start, guys, so let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I pre-cut the deco mesh. So I have about 20 or so pieces of the black deco mesh cut, and about 8 or so pieces of the gold deco mesh. I'm not sure how we're going to put it all together as far as what pieces go where. I guess we'll just fill in it as we go. We'll start with the black and kind of blend the gold in somewhere. And I got some cable ties from the Dollar Tree. So before I started, I just did a little twist of the deco mesh to give it a little bit more of a curl. But how you want to do this, basically you want to take the middle part, bunch it up so you have a little curl to it. Then you want to twist it and bring in the pieces in the middle so they're facing each other. I like to give it a little bit more of a twist, and then you want to take about an inch from the top, and then we're going to place it right into the cable tie. Okay, so I'll show you again. the middle. And then bunch it up. Give it a little twist. And then take about an inch from the top. And go ahead and lay it down on the wreath. You'll have to maneuver a little bit because, you know, it's a little hard to get the twist tie in. And there you go. And these aren't that wide. They're about 7 inches wide. And I think this is 12. Yeah, 12 inches long. Okay, so I started out the wreath, and I'm going to show you exactly how I started it out. So basically I have some twist ties that we're going to put on each part, like part of the cane. So you'll want to, I think it's easier to put the twist tie in first. Just a little starting area for the twist tie. And then it'll be easier to go ahead and add in the mesh once you get to that part. I think I'm going to do 4 to make sure. Let's start out with 3 and then we'll go from there. So you want to go ahead and give the mesh a little roll and fold it over like this. You'll want the insides of the mesh to kind of face. Mesh is hard because it's so stiff. And you'll also want to get some kind of adhesive spray. I'll show you a little bit later so that it doesn't fray or like start to come apart. So you want to take about 1 inch of it, so about right here, and go ahead and place it in the zip tie at about 1 inch and give the zip tie a pull. Okay, so I'll show you again. So gather it in the middle, and then I like to just give it a little roll. That helps it kind of give it a little curl. Then grab it in the middle, twist, and make sure the inward pieces are facing inward together. Take it at about 1 inch and go ahead and add it to the wreath. am going to add another row. So it'll be 4 pieces of mesh on each row that you do. Grab it. Okay. So we'll fill in the spaces as we go, as we see needed. Alright, we have the zip ties ready. Now we'll just take this and bunch it up. Okay. Then twist it and take about 1 inch of it and go ahead and put it in the zip ties. We're going to put this a little bit closer to where the other piece of deco mesh ends. So not exactly at the top part, but more so like in the middle. Okay. Show you this one again. Just want to bunch it up. Once you have it bunched up, give it a twist. And then go ahead and add it like this. Add it to, add the zip tie. Okay. We're going to speed things up a little bit here. We're going to continue to add the deco mesh onto the wreath form, making sure that you add the next layer on top of the previous layer, and make sure you just slide it down just a little bit as you go so that it looks fuller. If you missed my latest tutorial, or if you missed my latest video, I did a collab with Old World Home, and I took some thrift store finds and turn trash into treasure. So click the link up above to check out my latest video, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to take the Cricut reading tool again. We're going to poke a hole at the top, and this is going to be so that we can get this through. Okay, so we'll be able to cover this twist tie with some neck embellishment, and we'll be able to cover this with more mesh and some kind of flower at the top. So we're going to continue going through this top area where we'll be putting in more mesh. And also, guys, I will be doing this wreath form in my next video. This form is by Unique in the Creek. They also have a YouTube channel. I'll link them down below. I'm going to show you how I put a holiday spin on this wreath form. So don't forget to subscribe down below, click that button, and then also click the bell so that you're notified when I upload this video. After I finished filling in the wreath with the deco mesh, I went ahead and added the embellishment with the poinsettias at the top and added red paint for the lipstick. And I'll show you the bottom part of the neck. As you can see over here, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Make sure you are giving this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that you are enjoying the content. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the button down below to subscribe, and also click the bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.